Super sulit ng bundle na to guys. Sa halagang 999 pesos ay meron ka ng 13 pieces DW Pink Addict Beauty Product Set. Kasama nga pala sa set na ito ay ang DW Pick Me Cheek, Lip and Eyes, DW Mini Powder Blusher, DW Coco Berry Sunflower Oil, DW Pure Romance Perfume, DW Coconut Season Perfume, DW Premium Brightening Sunscreen 20 sachet, DW Pink Addict Shampoo 500 ml, DW Pink Addict Conditioner 500 ml, DW Dry Shampoo Hair Spray, DW Heartland Perfume Body Lotion, DW Pink Addict Whitening Body Lotion, DW Water Beauty and Airpod CC Cream, at ang DW Coconut Strawberry Bath Soap. Super ganda ng bundle na to for personal use, pang regalo o kaya naman pang business. Kaya kung gusto mong umorder nito, check my basket and my profile for other quality items.